Our next animals out there, some of the most beautiful wading birds that you'll ever find.
Wow.
These are scarlet ibis, and then we got one following you. Oh, that's a great spot to land.
Really,
You've got a scarlet ibis on your head there. Hang on, come on. Okay, we're going to just find a spot to land. I'll go get that one. And you've also got a spoonbill there.
No, I have no idea. I can't see what's on my head, so tell me what it is.
It's one of those that are flying.
It's one of those, okay.
So this is an ibis here.
So stupid.
They get this beautiful coloration. He's like, thank you very much. You notice we're feeding them shrimp or krill.
Yeah.
This actually is what helps provide this gorgeous coloration that they have.
Right.
And you can see.
Yes.
You expect me to continue talking
Now,
with you?
are these two related at all?
Yeah, actually all three of them, even though we have two different species here, these two are absolutely the same species. They're scarlet ibis, but we also have a spoonbill there.
Okay, now, can they be petted? Do they like that?
Yeah,
or no? Okay.
that's Padre.
Now,
He
explain
actually lives at SeaWorld in San Antonio.
Explain that spoon type feel.
Yeah, isn't that cool? Now you'll see that the bills are very different on both of these guys. I can't look at you. These bills are made for probing in mud.
Okay.
And his is actually.
Explain something to me. You think
Why is it on your head?
Well, no, the birds sort of use camouflage. Now, a bright color like this, it seems like they would be easy to spot. Seems to like.
They actually are one way of standing out, and it did not help them when people actually wanted their feathers for decoration, and that actually led to the.
Now we can talk. Now we can talk. Let's see what we say. I feel like I'm at the royal wedding with one of those hats. Oh, yes. Well, we'll take a break.